How to create an account on Settle. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Settle. Settle is a mobile and web application that helps users to manage group expenses. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded the authentic Settle application on your mobile device. Now once you have downloaded it, open your application on your device and on this welcome screen, you will need to swipe it to the left side until you find the option Sign In. Simply tap on the Sign In option at the bottom right and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to use one of these options in order to sign in or sign up for your account. Here I am choosing Sign In with Email. Simply tap on the Sign In with Email box at the very bottom and then here now enter the email address. After entering the email address, tap on this Next button at the bottom. Now here you will need to enter your first and last name. Tap on it and enter your name. After that, you will need to create a strong password for your account. Tap on this new password field and there type in your password. Make sure to enter a strong and unique password. Once after entering the password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side to reveal and note it down. After that, tap on the Save option just below it. And if you would like to purchase premium plan, then you can simply tap on this Purchase Premium Plan option and then subscribe to this premium version. And if you would like to continue with the free plan, simply tap on the bottom at the very bottom that says Continue with Free Plan. By doing so, now allow access to send you the notifications. Tap on the Allow button and here you will see you have successfully created an account on Settle. Simply tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left and then there you'll be able to see your profile. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on Settle. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.